Hello and welcome to my channel LearnAakash, and today we are going to learn about sets in Python. So sets is also a data type which is mutable. It's the same like list, but the sets order are unordered. That means that the values are unordered. Set is initialized by using comma separated value separated by curly brackets. You can see over here the comma separated value separated by the curly bracket. You can add and remove by the method dot add and dot remove methods, same like the list. And we can also set by the keyword set and with the parentheses and with the single quotation mark like this. We can also use the set method and we can use the intersection and union. So let's see what will be the result. Let's run this one. So then run. Okay, so as we see the result, there are 3 apples, but the sets order are unordered. I'll show you by running the once again, and there is only 1 apple. You can have a look that the recursive value is removed here. So when you run it again, you'll see the different values like apple, mango, banana, orange, and before apple, orange, banana, mango. The list are always all in order, but the sets it is unordered. So thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel LearnAakash. Thank you.